2007 to 2009. Honda's New Era, Type R, Accord, FCX Clarity and the Hybrid Revolution. Clapperboard Honda History, Episode 5, Part 4.
By 2007, Honda had entered a fascinating new chapter. Its cars were becoming more advanced, more practical and more environmentally focused, but Honda had not forgotten its performance heritage. From the legendary Civic Type R FD2 to the completely redesigned Accord, the third-generation CR-V and the revolutionary FCX Clarity, Honda was preparing for a rapidly changing automotive world. And in 2009, Honda brought back the Insight nameplate with a new mission: make hybrid technology accessible to more people. This is Honda History, Episode 5, Part 4. Honda enters a new era, 2007. The late 2000s were a major transition period for the automobile industry. Honda was balancing several goals: performance, fuel efficiency, safety, practicality, global production, hybrid technology, alternative fuels. Honda's own history describes the 2000s as a period of maintaining independence while developing new technologies such as the Fit and FCX Clarity. Honda Global. Honda was also expanding its North American manufacturing capacity. In 2007, Honda reported strong Civic, CR-V and Fit sales and planned additional production capacity in Indiana and Canada.
For performance
Honda
enthusiasts, 2007 was a huge year. Honda introduced the new Japanese market Civic Type R FD2. It was designed specifically to maximize front-wheel drive performance. Gear key engineering. The FD2 used a specially tuned 2.0-liter naturally aspirated K20A engine with high revving character, 6-speed manual transmission, limited slip differential, sport-tuned suspension, larger brakes, lightweight, rigid body, aggressive aerodynamic design. Honda stated that the engine produced 225 horsepower, while the car was developed to achieve the fastest lap times among Honda's front-wheel drive Type R models at the time. Honda Global. Honda officially announced the FD2 in March 2007 with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine that Honda still believed performance did not require a turbocharger. 18-inch tires and large front brakes. Its naturally aspirated K20A engine delivered its power through high revving engineering and a 6-speed manual transmission.
3. The third-generation CR-V. Honda's SUV strategy was also changing. The third-generation CR-V brought a more sophisticated design and greater emphasis on comfort, safety and refinement. The new CR-V combined SUV practicality with more car-like driving characteristics. Honda also offered technologies such as stability control and advanced safety equipment. Honda Global. Important features: 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine in North America, vtec technology. Available AWD, more spacious interior, improved safety, better ride comfort, more refined styling,
the CR-V was
available
no longer simply a
navigation,
practical small
rear-view
SUV.
camera on certain
Honda
configurations.
was turning it into a sophisticated family vehicle capable of competing with larger and more expensive rivals. 4. The second-generation Honda Fit. In October 2007, Honda introduced the completely redesigned second-generation Fit in Japan. Honda Global. The Fit continued Honda's famous man maximum, machine minimum philosophy. The idea was simple: give people as much usable interior space as possible while keeping the vehicle compact. Key innovations: center-mounted fuel tank, more interior space, longer wheelbase, improved practicality, excellent maneuverability, flexible seating, improved fuel economy. The center tank layout helped Honda create a remarkably
FCX
flexible
Clarity,
interior for such a small car.
2007-2008.
Honda Global.
This was one of the most important technological moments of the era. In November 2007, Honda unveiled the FCX Clarity, a hydrogen-powered fuel cell vehicle. Honda planned limited U.S. leasing beginning in summer 2008. Honda Global. Unlike a conventional gasoline car, The FCX Clarity generated electricity using a hydrogen fuel cell system to power an electric motor. Its operation produced water and heat rather than tailpipe carbon dioxide. Honda Global Rocket FCX Clarity technology. Hydrogen fuel cell stack, electric motor, lithium-ion battery, zero tailpipe carbon dioxide operation, advanced aerodynamic body, 4-passenger sedan. Honda reported a driving range of up to 280 miles under its 2008 EPA estimates and a combined fuel economy figure of 72 miles per kilogram H2. Honda Global. The FCX Clarity showed that Honda wasn't thinking only about the next model year.
In 2009, the FCX Clarity received another major achievement. It was named 2009 World Green Car. The award recognized Honda's work in hydrogen fuel cell technology and alternative transportation. 7. Honda Global. The 8th generation Honda Accord, 2008. Honda completely redesigned the Accord for 2008. The new generation focused heavily on performance plus safety plus technology plus comfort. Honda described the new Accord as larger and more spacious, while adding technology aimed at improving power, efficiency and safety. Honda Global. The 8th generation Accord was introduced in Japan in December 2008 and continued Honda's long-running Accord evolution. Honda Global Plus 1. Major features: sedan and coupe versions in North America. 4-cylinder and V6 engines. Available 6-speed manual. Improved cabin space. Advanced safety technology. Vehicle stability assist. Side curtain airbags. Improved crash compatibility.
9.
The Accord was
return
becoming
of the
more
Honda
sophisticated
Insight.
without abandoning
2009.
Honda's reputation
Honda
for
brought
everyday
back the Insight
usability.
name for a completely new hybrid. The second generation Insight was introduced in Japan in February 2009. Honda Global. This time, Honda wanted hybrid technology to reach a much larger audience. Battery hybrid system. The Insight used 1.3-liter IVTEC gasoline engine. Electric motor. Honda EMA hybrid technology. Regenerative braking. CVT. Eco Assist technology. Honda also developed the Ecological Drive Assist System, which was designed to help drivers improve fuel-efficient driving. Honda Global. For the U.S. market, the 2010 Insight launched with a starting MSRP of $19,800 and EPA estimated fuel economy of 40/43 mpg city, highway. The first Insight had demonstrated what Honda could do with hybrid technology. The second Insight had a different mission: make that technology affordable enough
The global
for everyday
financial
drivers.
crisis created major problems for automakers. Honda faced falling demand, currency pressure, production challenges, increasing pressure for fuel-efficient vehicles. Honda's own historical account notes that the 2008 global crisis and strengthening yen created significant difficulties for the company, Honda Global, but Honda also saw an opportunity. Future was moving towards smaller, cleaner, more efficient vehicles. Honda's eco technology, the late 2000s showed a major change in Honda's engineering philosophy. Honda wasn't abandoning performance. Instead, it was trying to create different kinds of performance. Type R, performance through high reviving engineering. CRV, performance through practicality. And efficiency, Accord, performance combined with comfort and safety. Insight, performance measured in efficiency. FCX Clarity, performance through hydrogen-powered electric. This was Honda's new technological identity. Honda's growing global manufacturing. Honda continued expanding its manufacturing footprint. By 2008, Honda's North American automobile production capacity was planned to reach approximately 1.62 million vehicles supported by new facilities in Indiana and Canada. In May 2009, Honda announced that U.S. automobile had reached 15 million vehicles. Performance meets efficiency. By 2009, Honda's lineup represented two very different sides of the company. Performance: Civic Type R S2000, Civic C, Accord performance model. Efficiency: Fit, Civic Hybrid, Insight, FCX Clarity. And Honda was trying to prove that technology could connect both. Now I am going forward to the ending of the video. Between 2007 and 2009, Honda proved that its future could take many different directions. There was the art, the practical fit, the family-focused CR-V, the sophisticated Accord, the hydrogen-powered FCX Clarity, and the hybrid Honda was no longer simply building cars. It was experimenting with what the automobile could become. And this was only the beginning. In the next part of Honda history, we'll continue into the next chapter of Honda's global expansion, technology, and performance. This is my today's video. And do comment which is your favorite Honda model. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.